how to get friend emojis on Snapchat. So what we'll do is we will simply open our Snapchat, and after opening our Snapchat we will go in our profile where we'll get to see an option of settings. So we can simply click on the settings option, and after clicking on the settings we will get to see a lot of option here. So we will see a notification, bitmoji option right here. So we can simply click on the bitmoji, and here make sure to create a bitmoji of yours. Mine is already created, so we can now go back, and after now going back, what we can do is we can go to any person's chat that we want to text, and here after going can click on the emoji section, and here as we can see that there is a bitmoji created, friend emoji created out of our friend bitmojis and our bitmojis. So yeah, you can simply send that friend emoji, and yeah, that is how we can get friend emojis on Snapchat.